Welcome to Beyond Repair. Today I have my cheap Porsche Boxster 981. This is 2.7 and I would like to talk about the front headlights. Sometimes you're gonna see this, like a major gap between the fender and the headlight itself, and I can blame the shop that refinished my headlights, but the problem is after they done the job I'm missing the tool. So before I go too far, let me explain you what you need to do to remove and put your headlights back on. When you open the hood, you will be able to find that part right here. Grab it, pull it, take it away. Inside, when you take this plastic piece, you should find a very specific key that's gonna look like a Allen wrench with the attachment that's gonna be swinging side to side. Unfortunately, mine is missing. What should you do in this situation? Well, take a longer 1/4 inch extension and just follow my instructions. You'll be able to do it. So before we proceed, I'd like to finish up that side, and you can see it sits nice and secure right now. And we will be using that hole on the very bottom. You have the top, middle, and the bottom, and I just removed the plug to make it easier. Let's do the same with the passenger side, because you can see I can literally take the headlight out without doing anything. So right now we will take that headlight out of the way, verify that the mount is still intact. We'll flip that mount forward like so. You see it's kind of ready for the headlight. I'm not disconnecting anything. I'm just bringing this headlight back. And on the driver's side, it got cracked because it was too much pressure on this corner. So when you're getting it back inside, make sure that your gasket is kind of, you know, aligned, or you will crack the lens and it's gonna be very pricey. So let's get this headlight in the way. You see there's a plastic groove that you have to match right here on the side. Now it's kind of slides on the grooves left and right, and we slowly bring it back until we feel it sits right here, right? So we push it. Then we take a 5mm and a longer extension. So we go here and undo that cover, and now we're gonna search inside for the hole. But on the driver's side I made it easier. I started with removing the headlight so I can get the visual on the mount. See, I can kind of figure out much easier what goes where, and here you have it. We are hooked. I'm leaving the mount like this. Now I'm bringing the headlight back. Remember, left and right is gonna have a mounting point, so you gotta get it straight. And when it sits, it slides. You bring it up, make sure it's not causing too much pressure on the gasket on that corner, and we will just turn it clockwise. So I'm putting my ratchet carefully on the mount, and I'll try to spin it. Of course, if you have a key, lucky you. I mean, it's so much easier. All right, in order to mount the passenger side, you have to twist it up. So your ratchet will go up. See, and up, bring the headlight. It will start squeezing inside. Remember the gaskets until it clicks. When it clicks, don't be that, you know, happy guy or girl that will lose the socket inside. So you have to carefully remove your 5mm because you don't want to pay 30 bucks for the tool if you only need a 5mm and extension. Here you go. Now all you gotta do is just cover that lower hole with that cover right here on both sides, and your both headlights are fixed and they're not going anywhere. So that's it. Easy. Easy. Yeah, my bumper is not sitting right. That's okay. That's fine. As long as my headlights are mounted, I'm okay with that. Remember I mentioned this gasket? So yeah, unfortunately, that's the lesson that I've learned. So here you have it. You don't have original tool to remove your headlights. Now you know how to remove it. Now you know where to find the original tool. And if you don't have it, not a big deal. Just a 1/4 inch extensions, 5mm socket, and you'll be able to mount or undo your headlights. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, ring the bell, because I got a lot of things going on. I mean, it's a cheap Porsche Boxster after all. So I'll see you in the next one.